What's up, folks? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Car Break NL, and we're giving away $50 break credit to somebody here today. All you have to do is check in, tell us what you've been what you've been up to over the summer, and or what you plan to do over the summer. And all you have to do is have a spot in a break over the summer sometime. So just finish the list. If your name didn't make the list, it's because you didn't qualify. You didn't do a break over the summer. So we're going live. Good luck. Top name after 4 gets $50 break credit, plain and simple. 6'11", about to turn 6'12". Here's your names, lots of names, Brennan, all the way down to Mark. Good luck, folks. 1, we had 112 names. 2, 3, as a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 6'12". 6'12" it is. Last and final top name taking home the credit goes to Mr. Slaney. Congrats, brother. Brian Slaney taking home the break credit, 4th random, and he is top name. So congrats, Brian. That's it, guys. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you tonight for some breaks, and congrats again to Brian. Last and final timestamp is at 6:12, and 6:12 it is. Thanks, guys.